If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe by pressing subscribe icon. Also press the bell icon for the notification. You will get notification for my upcoming videos. Hello friends, in today's video we will see in the split AC where the service valve are fitted, and when we connect the service valve, what care we have to take to prevent the leakages from the service valve. In all the split ACs we have two service valves. One is two-way and the other is three-way. Whenever we install split AC, we need to connect ODU to IDU, and we have to make mechanical flare joints. Let's see the construction of service valve and leak points. Body of the valve is made of brass and one spindle is provided to open and close the valve. Spindle can be operated with Allen key. When the valve is closed, it doesn't allow the gas to pass through the valve. Valve can be leaky if the spindle seat will not be proper. One O-ring is provided on the spindle to prevent the leakage through the spindle and valve body. If the O-ring gets defective, leakage can be happen from the spindle and valve body. We have to place a valve cap and tight it properly to prevent leakage from this point. Another point is flare and flare nut. If the flare is not made properly and the flare nut is not properly tightened with the torque wrench, it may be cause of leakage. Watch my video how to make proper flare. It is already uploaded. Now for the three-way service valve, rest everything is similar to the two-way service valve, but one addition is of charging port with pin valve. And the leakage can be through the pin valve. So we need to place a dead nut and tight it properly to prevent the leakage from this point. Now the final checkpoints are: place and tight the valve cap, place and tight dead nut on the charging port, make proper flare and tight the flare nut with torque wrench. So now you will be able to handle the service valve and prevent the leakages. Thank you very much.